Good morning, everyone. I am Deepa Devarmani, lecturer in Department Science and Humanities. Today, I'll be teaching you all your first unit, that is career planning. Contains introduction, career meaning, the role of career counselor, a few benefits of career planning, the guidelines of choosing a career, the frequently asked question about career fields, the sample questions about particular job title. Career planning by KLX. What do you mean by the term career? A series of jobs that a person has in a particular area of work with more responsibilities as time passes. What is its definition? A lifelong process a person goes through to learn about himself and herself, learn about careers and work situation, and make career choice based on the research and information gathered. What do we major focus on? What should be our major focus on? Matching the personal goals with opportunities they are realistically available. The role of career counselor in chanting out a career path. First one, guiding towards the correct path by discussing career option, identify the candidate's interest and strength, suggesting successful job search strategies, reviewing resume and cover letter, working on interview skills. A few benefits of career planning. What are they? To be prepared for the interviews, to develop a well targeted resume, to have an increased sense of self awareness, to realize the many career choice available, to develop a relationship with human resource and professionals. Career guidance for choosing a career. There are mainly 6 points. First one is evaluate yourself, research your option, make connection, get experience, see a counselor, make decision. First, what is evaluate yourself? Understand your strengths, your interests, your skills, your values, and making to the career decision. This will help you to choose what career what you are interested. Second, research your option. Research your option means do some research on what career you are going to adopt, what type of job you all want, what is the salary range, what is a job outlook, and major employees, etc. Make connection. What do you mean by make connection? Seeking valuable information from a person who has been in the same field and who has much more interest. The person who has much more interest and who is basically there in that particular field. Get experience. Learning by doing is a valuable way to research. The more experience you have, you can explore more options. When you have more experience, there are much more options available to you. Make connections. Then see a counselor. Counselor, you can refer to the third slide for this description. Make decision. A good amount of research will help us make better and productive decision. The frequently asked question about career fields. What they frequently ask all. What entry level jobs are available in the field? What are the career areas do you feel are related to your work? What career paths are generally available? What is the profile of the person most recently hired at this level? What are the some of the current issues, trends in the field? The sample questions about a particular job title, what they may ask you all. Okay, the first one is, what do you do as a, how did you begin your career, what is a typical day like for you, how does your job affect your general lifestyle, how does your position fit within the organization, industry, career fields, what are the rewards, challenges, frustration of your work, what are the major qualifications for success in a particular occupation, etc. With this, I completed your first chapter, that is career planning. Thank you.